loom.com. Okay, testing loom.com for screen recording software. So I'm going to grab the markdown content that was in the Slack channel, and then I'm going to go over here to the Dillinger.io editor. Put the content there in place of what it was. Just use Control-A to select everything and Control-V to paste. I'm going to save the session, and then I could preview it, or I can export it directly as a PDF. That should download like this. And now when I open it up, I should have a PDF that is properly formatted and has live hyperlinks. That's what Markdown is for.